everyone, welcome back. I'm Miss Myra and today we will be doing cookie dough moon sand. For this activity you will need some flour, vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever oil you may have at home, some sprinkles, cupcake liners, a bowl or a bucket to mix, a measuring cup, a cupcake tin, and then I have a roller, but you could use a spatula or a wooden spoon. So we need 4 cups of flour, for this step you may ask your mom or your dad to help you. This is half a cup. There's another half a cup, so that makes 1 cup. Two. It's okay to get messy too. 2.5. 3. Oops. 3.5. 4. So you have your 4 cups of flour, and then we need my measuring cup, half a cup of oil, there's half a cup, and then you add some sprinkles. We'll add a little bit of this, and a little bit of the chocolate, and some cookie crumbs, and some dark chocolate. And this is the fun part. You get to mix, mix, mix. I'm using gloves, but if you're at home with mom and dad, you can use your hands so you can feel and touch and smell the sprinkles. This is great for sensory. And you mix and mix. We might need a little more oil. This is similar to moon sand, so the consistency is not like Play-Doh, it's more like moon sand. And if your kids taste it, there's no harm, it's just oil, flour, and sprinkles. But it's more so for sensory and fine motor. And then we will get one of our cupcake liners, and you put it in there. will be making some cupcakes. You can make as many as you want for yourself, for mom, for dad, for grandma, grandpa, your sister, your brother. And then you can, this feels really, really soft. So yeah, thank you for joining me on this activity, and I hope you all try it at home. If you do, don't forget to email us some pictures, post pictures on our social media, and see you guys next time.